How to make egg pizza. Tell me, doesn't this look yummy? So let's get into the method I used to achieve this awesome looking egg pizza. So first of all, crack open 3 eggs. You can use more eggs based on your family size, but in this video, I used 3 eggs. After cracking the eggs open into the bowl, mix together. Make sure you mix together to blend. Now when the egg is ready, it's time for us to place our pan on the stove and pour some vegetable oil, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. When this is ready, allow the oil to heat up a little, not too hot. Now we can add our already sliced onion. Use enough onion, like you see in this video. Allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Now we can add a pinch of salt, or you can add more as you desire. Mix together. Mix it together so that the salt will blend into the already poured onion. After that, you can now add your pepper, that green pepper or habanero, whatever type of pepper you want to add at this point. Mix together and add curry powder. Feel free to add any spice of your choice. Do not allow it to be too overpowering. I also added turmeric powder, just a little, just to add that color to it. Now we're going to mix together all these ingredients. After mixing together, we can now get our main ingredient, which is the egg, the already mixed eggs. Get it ready. Now we can pour it into the pan, like so. Now you're going to tilt the pan a little bit to make sure the egg goes round. Make like a circular motion to make sure it spreads around the pan. After that, we're going to allow it to cook a little. Then we cover it with a plate like that, a flat plate, and turn it over. And we are not done. We are not done yet. We have to allow the other part of the egg to cook properly. So we're going to put it back, making sure we do not alter the shape. You can see it's in circular shape. We want to maintain that shape. Remember, you have to feed the eyes first, okay? Now we're going to allow it to cook just like the top is brown. We're going to allow the other part to be a bit brown also. Leave it for a few minutes. We are going to repeat the same thing by covering the egg again with the flat plate. And now it's ready. Ready as in ready. Oh my word. This looks so yummy. Look at that. I mean, who wouldn't want to eat this type of pizza looking egg? My word. Look at that. Now feel free to cut it into how many slices you would like it to be and share it to your family, friends, well wishers, and so on. Oh my word. Please make sure you rate this video. Make sure you thumbs up, you like, you subscribe so you can get more of videos like this coming from this channel. I mean, oh my word, I can't stop looking at this egg right now. So now you are going to stop your old way of making eggs and abide to this method. I know you love it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you love this method, and would you be trying this method? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next one.